channel. This video it's not funny. Oh, it's not funny. In fact, I'm not happy, honestly. Have you ever gotten something that you don't know how to use? Guys, I got this drone. In fact, I got it since, was it August or September? Okay, I got the drone since August. Guys, I've been trying. I've downloaded all the whole apps that is of how to fly a drone for beginners. But God, I can't still place it. This is the first time something is so difficult for me. Why I'm sharing it here is that if somebody has any idea, let the person come and help me, please. Look at the drone I got. This RC drone, I got it online. And when it came, since then, there is nothing I've not done. I've even turned to screw. I don't know if it's that the batteries are dead. I don't just know. But the first time I tried to on it, the thing showed light, but I don't know why it's no longer showing light. Guys, please, if you know how to help me, there is how to help me, please. I really need help. I need help here. Look at this thing is actually showing light. Look at it. This one is showing light. My problem is for this one to power. For this one to power, something is wrong somewhere. I'm beginning to think, is it that the batteries are dead? Should I reorder for other batteries? Because the battery came, I think one. The other two, I ordered for 2 extra batteries on the drone, but none of the batteries is even powering the drone. And even one is powering the drone, I would have said, okay, let me use the one that is powering the drone. Guys, if you see my dream for my videos, the way I'll be using it with drone, God, the way I'm dreaming of making like wonderful videos, oh my God, it's so painful. Guys, please, if there is a way you can help me, please do help me. The worst is that right now I don't even have money now. It's not that, is since after this NSAS thing, I don't even have money, because had it been is when I have money, I would have just reordered another brand and come and start using. Guys, I feel pain, dude. I really need help. I need help. I need help. I need help. I don't know where to. I don't know where to start. I've read all the manual, but this thing refused to power. Okay, let me place it so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. Look at what I'm doing. Because this thing came, as in, it came without this, like this one. I've read a lot of this thing online. I don't know if the battery, maybe the battery is dead due to one thing or the other, because actually I got this drone since August this year, and ever since then I tried the first time. It was difficult. I just packed it up. I tried the second time again, and I arranged it, but this time around I said I want to use this drone. I want to use this drone so that my videos will be powerful, you know. So, but ever since then, I'm just feeling bad, honestly. I'm not happy. Okay, see how it is without any battery. This is how the drone is. So this is the battery. In fact, I had to go and charge this battery again just to be sure at least that the drone is charged. Okay, and I put it here. Look at it. I've tightened it very, very well. Okay, this is where the battery goes into, but I'm not going to see where the power is. At least let this thing show light. Look, I've been powering it. I tried changing to the spare battery I got. None of the battery is working. That's the problem. What exactly is happening? Oh my God. At least if you power it from that video, if you just press this button, light will show in all this place. Okay. I don't know if I have to wait for some minutes before the thing will show light. I don't know if I have to wait for some hours before it will show light. Please guys, if there's anybody that knows what I'm supposed to do on this drone for it to fly, I just want this drone flying immediately. Please help me guys, help me. I want to make powerful videos. So that's all for today's video. Please, if you have any idea how to help me, please come and help me. help me, oh, help me. Send me links to what you think can help me. If your advice is for me to reorder for other new batteries, then tell me, please. I just need this drone to start flying. God, yeah. And if you want to just buy another new drone for me, as in a better one, please, me, I don't mind though. I want drone for my job. I need drone. Guys, please, this will be the end of this video. Thank you so much. Bye.